Welcome to Sudoku. I am going to solve the Hindi name of Sudoku puzzle on March 1, 2022, 3-star Sudoku. Fourth row, we have 6 and 3. 6 and 3 can't come these cells. It will come any one of the cells. We will confirm later. Third grade, only 3 numbers are remaining, 2, 5, 8. Column I, column J, we have 8. So 8 can't come these cells, then 8 is confirmed here. Then only 2 numbers are remaining, 2 and 5. It will come any one of the cells, we will confirm later. Column D, we have 8, 1, 3. 3 numbers can't come in this cell. It will come any one of the 3 cells, we will confirm later. Then only 1 number is remaining, 6. 6 is confirmed here. Third row, we have 6. So 6 can't come in this cell. 6 is confirmed here. Then 3 is here. Second row and third row, we have 7. So 7 can't come these cells. Then 7 is confirmed here. Fourth row, 3 numbers are remaining, 1, 4, 9. Column C and column D, we have 1. So 1 can't come these cells. Then 1 is confirmed here. Then only 2 numbers are remaining, 4 and 9. Column C, we have 4. So 4 can't come in this cell. 4 is confirmed here. Then 9 is here. First grade, 3 numbers are remaining, 3, 5, 8. Column D, we have 3 and 8. So 3 and 8 can't come in this cell. It will come in any one of the cells. Then only 1 number is remaining, 5. 5 is confirmed here. Column D, we have 8. So 8 can't come in this cell. 8 is confirmed here. Then 3 is here. Third row, only 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 8. It will come in any one of the cells. We will confirm later. Second row, only 3 numbers are remaining, 2, 4, 9. It will come in any one of the cells. We will confirm later. In column C, 3 numbers are remaining, 2, 5, 6. Fourth grade, we have 6. So 6 can't come these cells. Then 6 is confirmed here. Then only 2 numbers are remaining, 2 and 5. It will come in any one of the cells. We will confirm later. Column D, 2 numbers are remaining, 7 and 9. Fifth row, we have 9. So 9 can't come in this cell. 9 is confirmed here. Then 7 is here. Fourth grade, only 2 numbers are remaining, 4 and 9. Fifth row, we have 9. So 9 can't come in this cell. 9 is confirmed here. Then 4 is here. Column B, 3 numbers are remaining, 3, 5, 7. It will come in any one of the cells. We will confirm later. Ninth row and 10th row, we have 1. So 1 can't come these cells. Then 1 is confirmed here. Column E, we have 1. So 1 can't come in this cell. 1 is confirmed here. Then 8 is here. Fifth row, 3 numbers are remaining, 3, 5, 6. 6th row and 7th row we have 3. So 3 can't come these cells. Then 3 is confirmed here. Then only 2 numbers are remaining, 5 and 6. Column G we have 5. So 5 can't come in the cell. 5 is confirmed here. Then 6 is here. 6th row on column H we have 9. So 9 can't come these cells. The 9 is confirmed here. 7th row on column J we have 6. So 6 can't come these cells, and 6 is confirmed here. 6th grade, only 2 numbers are remaining. 4 and 5, it will come in any one of the cells, we will confirm later. Column H and column J we have 9. 8th row we have 9. So 9 can't come these cells. The 9 is confirmed here. Column I, only 2 numbers are remaining, 2 and 5. It will come in any one of the cells, we will confirm later. 8th row and 10th row. Column E and column F we have 1. So 1 can't come these cells. Then 1 is confirmed here. Column E we have 8. So 8 can't come in this cell. Then 8 is confirmed here. 6th row on column F we have 7. So 7 can't come these cells. Then 7 is confirmed here. 5th grade, only 2 numbers are remaining. 2 and 4, it will come in any one of the cells, we will confirm later. Column E, 3 numbers are remaining, 2, 4, 5. 2nd row we have 5. And 5th grade also we have 5. So 5 can't come these cells. Then 5 is confirmed here. Then only 2 numbers are remaining, 2 and 4. It will come in any one of the cells. We will confirm later. 9th row we have 2 and 4. So 2 and 4 can't come these cells. It will come in any one of the cells. We will confirm later. 8th grade, only 2 numbers are remaining, 6 and 9. Column G we have 6. So 6 can't come in the cell, 6 is confirmed here. Then 9 is here. Column G we have 9. So 9 can't come in the cell, the 9 is confirmed here. Column G, 2 numbers are remaining, 2 and 4. It will come in any one of the cells. We will confirm later. Column F, 2 numbers are remaining, 2 and 4. It will come in any one of the cells. We will confirm later. Ninth row, 2 numbers are remaining, 7 and 5. Column H, we have 7. So 7 can't come in this cell, 7 is confirmed here. Then 5 is here. Since 5 is here, so 5 can't come in this cell, 5 is confirmed here. Then 2 is here. 4th row, only 1 number is remaining, 2. 2 is confirmed here. Column H, we have 5. So 5 can't come in this cell, 5 is confirmed here. Then 4 is here. 7th row, we have 4. So 4 can't come in this cell, 4 is confirmed here. Then 2 is here. Column F, only 1 number is remaining, 4. 4 is confirmed here. Then we can confirm 2 also here. Column G, we have 2. So 2 can't come in this cell, 2 is confirmed here. Then 4 is here. 7th row we have 2, so 2 can't come in this cell, 2 is confirmed here, then 5 is here. Column B, 2 numbers are remaining, 3 and 5. 10th row we have 3, so 5 can't come in this cell, 5 is confirmed here, then 3 is here. Column H, 2 numbers are remaining, 3 and 6. 10th row we have 3, so 3 can't come in this cell, 3 is confirmed here, then 6 is here. Column J, 2 numbers are remaining, 4 and 7. 8th row we have 7, so 7 can't come in this cell, 7 is confirmed here, then 4 is here. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. Please like and share this video. Thank you very much.